everyone, it's Daphne from Scrap and Create. Today I'm going to share with you the latest release from Stamperia. We just love this paper. It's gorgeous. We've got a couple new collections to share with you. And the other thing is Stamperia has just released this new format, the 8x8, which is pretty exciting. So up until now, it's all been 12x12s. But now they're releasing 8x8s. And so with that, I'm going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to walk you through each one of these collections, front and back of each sheet in the package. And then I'm going to talk to you about whether or not it comes in 8x8 or 8, or also in 12x12. So I'm going to set the 12x12s aside, and we're going to go over the 8x8s first. Okay, so the first one I want to share with you is called Flowers for You, and this is an 8x8 format, and this one does not have a companion 12x12. And so far, this is the only one in that's only has the 8x8. So I suspect they'll be releasing a 12x12, but we haven't seen it yet. So here's the cover page, and as you know, Stamperia makes it so that you can use the front and back by putting a print on the inside of each one of their pages. So you get 10 sheets, but you really get the equivalent of 11 if you count the back of the front cover and the inside of the back cover. Okay, so with that, let's get started. So this is beautiful, lovely, very spring, fun collection. This format, I think, is excellent for mini albums and also for card makers. Okay, love the dots. Very, very pretty. And Stamperia paper, the quality is just so lovely. I've made several albums with the Stamperia, and I'm always very pleased with the paper. All right. Lovely. This is very pretty. Lovely, lovely. These are great for cards. These are the perfect scale for cards. You can fussy cut these butterflies and more tags and things to fussy cut. This would make a beautiful card. Okay, so that is Flowers for You. Now, everything I'm showing you right now is available in our shop. We just listed these last night. So Stamperia Pink Christmas. This was wildly popular last year, and it was only available in the 12x12 format. They've just released the 8x8. So we have both available in our shop. You can get the 8x8 or the 12x12, or you can get some combination of both. So this is very beautiful paper. I think these are lovely and perfect for mini albums as well as card making. Beautiful, beautiful. This makes for, like I said, a lovely 8x8 mini album, or any card maker would be able to do lots of fun things with these. Okay, and again, this is a 10 or 8x8. It's also available in 12x12. I love these. These are beautiful. Now, this is one I have not made a mini album in, but I wouldn't mind doing it. It's such a pretty collection. I've seen cards made with this collection. They're just beautiful. Okay. And I think this was first released last year in the 12x12. Okay, there you go. All right, now I'm going to cover some other ones that have already previously been released in 12x12 also. So Christmas Vintage was new last year, and it is now also available in an 8x8. Right? And everyone's going to recognize the next one. Here we go, because it was so popular. I love this. It's so vibrant. I'm not sure how much of that's coming across in the video, but the colors are very deep, very rich. Beautiful poinsettias, very easy for fussy cutting if that's your thing. I like to do it. It winds up somewhere in every album I make. And that's a little gingerbread man. Beautiful little tags, which can be used in your albums or even as tags on packages. Okay. This you could easily trim and use as a ribbon in one of your page layouts. Very beautiful, very beautiful. So another Christmas collection. All right, now the wildly popular Alice from Stamperia. So this was available last year in the 12x12, and now we have it in the 8x8. So we've got the two formats for this paper, and it's just gorgeous. People love this, and it was probably one of our most popular collections, partly because it's so beautiful, but also because Christine did such a wonderful job making a mini album with the 12 by 12 papers. I think it's probably one of our most popular tutorials. So if you haven't seen it, be sure to take a look and you'll see what she's done with these paper. Keep in mind that what you see in that tutorial is based on the 12 by 12 book, not the 8 by 8. I love this pattern. I think it's so nostalgic. Okay. They give you lots of pieces to cut aparts for ephemeras to use in your book, which I like. This is probably my favorite. If I was doing an 8 by 8, that would be my cover. Beautiful, beautiful. And again, available in 8 by 8 and 12 by 12. And this is available in our shop right now. Beautiful. So I think it's neat that they're starting to do the 2 sizes. That's something new for them. Okay, Ozuelo, and I'm not sure I'm saying that correctly. I had done a little travel journal in this using the 12 by 12 paper. It's now available in the 8 by 8 as well. I love this collection. It's very beautiful. It looks very European to me. I think you could do Italy, you could do Spain. You could easily, you know, do a European travel journal or a mini album for any kind of European travel that you've done. So it's beautiful. Lots of tiles. These are great. Butterfly, I wound up fussy cutting and placing in a lot of different places. So I've got a tutorial out on this one. It is using Graphic 45 travel journal, and it's also featuring the 12 by 12 format in this print. So this is the 8 by 8, and it's gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. So you get 10 designer sheets in each collection, and there's a different print on each side. So you actually get 10 or 20 different designs on 10 different sheets. And then the front and the back insides are usually a repeat of one of the designs inside. So the 11th page that you wind up getting is a repeat of one of the patterns. All right, brand new this year in this format, and we don't know if it's going to come in 8 by 8, but we just got this brand new Oriental Garden. It is gorgeous. So there's a couple of collections that are brand new this year, and I'm going to ask you guys to tell me which one you want the next mini album to be made out of. I like them all, so I'm interested in getting some feedback from you. This is one of them, Oriental Garden. Look at that. That is just beautiful. And look at all these things to cut apart and use as design features in your albums. Beautiful, beautiful, rich colors. I like this sort of patchwork pattern here. And this nice long piece of ephemera. Beautiful. So this is, like I said, one of the new collections just out this summer. We try to keep everything that Stamperia has in our shop. So be sure to click on our shop, go to Stamperia, and you'll see all the collections that we have for Stamperia. It's one of our most popular paper brands. More cut aparts. Beautiful. These are nice little design features. These look like watercolors. It's just beautiful. So I have 3 more collections to share with you. And then, like I said, we're looking for some feedback on what you guys would like to see the next album out of. So the next one is called Cosmos, which I think is gorgeous and very timely because my sister Darla and I both like to craft, and she was looking to do something for her husband, and he's a hunter, and I think this is perfect for that. So she's going to document and make a mini album out of some of his hunting trips. So it's very beautiful. So you've got lots of nature scenes, and then of course from the title Cosmo, so you see the moon, and it's just really pretty. And this is some wood pattern, which would be very easy to use. Lots of nature's themes here. There's that beautiful Cosmo paper. I think I might wind up with that on the cover if I make an album. And there's another one. Beautiful. Lots of cut aparts. Okay, beautiful. Woodsy patterns. Very earthy. I'm loving it. Okay. I think these would make nice, very masculine cards. More cut-aparts. This is gorgeous. Lovely, lovely. So you guys will have to let me know what you think. And so there's a summary of all the pages available. And this is, again, 10 double-sided sheets, and it's in a 12 by 12 format. So far, that's all we've seen. I'm not sure if they're going to do an 8 by 8. So the next collection, it's really one collection, but it's coming in 2 different formats. And so what do I mean by that? Stamperia has started doing these packs where you can either get 10 or... and it doesn't even say it. Oh yeah, 22 sheets in the collection. So it's the same collection, Grand Hotel, but this one comes with 22 double-sided sheets, and this comes with 10. So we're gonna go through the package of 10 first, and then we'll go through the 22. So you don't just get more paper, you get additional designs. Okay, so you'll get all the designs that you see in the 10 pack, plus you get another 12 designs. So it's really quite nice. Lots of different designs. Beautiful for cards. I love this one. I keep saying that. I think I like all their papers. So this is a really beautiful collection. It's been out for a little while. I think the 22 sheet is what's new, but a little while meaning a few months. The other ones we just got. So it's got some calendars in here, which is kind of fun if you want to build a planner. It's an easy thing to do. Since they gave you some cut-aparts for that, lots of tags. Okay, so now we're going to go through the 22-page pack, and you'll see, like I said, there's duplicates, same 10 sheets, but you get these additional designs. And so here in the first page, you can see these are 4 new designs for the page 22-pack Grand Hotel. Okay, lovely. Okay, some repeats. This is new for this pack. More of these cut-aparts. Okay. This one also comes with a calendar feature. It's beautiful. It's very romantic colors. I like it. So again, I think this would go great for any kind of a travel album, especially a European travel album. It looks very antique-y. Okay. And this is nice because you get all these additional patterns, and they're just trimmed down into these 4x4s. Actually, a little bit smaller than 6 by 6, a little smaller, probably 5 3/4 by 5 3/4. And that's my eyeball. So that's kind of nice. Perfect for mini album makers. Okay, more of those cut-aparts. And as you can see, this package just goes on and on. There's so many papers in it. 22 sheets. That's pretty nice. Okay, again, all of these are available in our shop right now. And I'm looking for some feedback from you guys on which of the new collections, whether it's the Grand Hotel, the Cosmos, the Oriental Garden, and this is the last new collection, Flowers for You, you'd like to see a mini album in. So again, these are the new formats: Christmas, Azula, Alice, and Another Christmas, all available now in 8 by 8, and this is a brand new collection in 8 by 8 only right now. So be sure to leave some comments and let me know which one of these you'd like to see an album in, and what size you'd like to see. So I look forward to your comments, and thanks for tuning in and sharing these new collections with us. And like I said, if you click the more button, there'll be additional information and links to our shop where you can find all these collections for sale. Thanks for tuning in. This is Daphne saying goodbye for now.